Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now this week, there is no guest, but there is a theme, and it's called Sweet and Simple Tablescape. And that can mean whatever it is that you want to decorate on your tablescape or with your tablescape. And this is mine. I can't wait to tell you all about it. So let's get started. Okay, so if we start here, this is a round floral box. They have them at the Dollar Tree's Plus section, guys. I absolutely love it. Now this runner was a gift. I got two of them in the gold. I got two gold, and I do have one silver. So I decided to go ahead and use the gold. And then this vase over here, isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I love it. So the vase was thrifted. Actually, it was a whole set, guys. So I'll do a video. I'll set the table a different time with this set here, but I decided to go ahead and use the vase, and look how tall it is. Pretty nice size. And all of these tall stem peony flowers, they did come from the Dollar Tree, and I got these a couple of years back. And then this vase right here, I absolutely love the shape of this vase. It was a DIY, and yep, I just put some greenery in it and decided to go ahead and put it on this end. So this is what our centerpiece is looking like. Very simple. I try to go simple, but because red is so bold, it might look a little bit fancier than I thought. Okay, so here I decided to go ahead and place the napkin at the end, and that's looking like a bow tie. So the napkin, I believe that was thrifted, and the napkin rings, they were gifted. So here we have, we'll start over here. We have the wine glass that came from the Dollar Tree. This water glass right here came from the Goodwill. And then we have this candle here. So the candle and the votive came from the Dollar Tree. Now we're gonna move on here. Isn't this an absolutely adorable place setting? Okay, so let's start here. I decided to put a red bow in the center. This is just like the most cutest bow. I think I got that from Hobby Lobby. Now these plates here came from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So there's the salad plate. And then here is the dinner plate. It's so fancy, isn't it? I just absolutely love it. Now, believe it or not, this charger did come from the Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby has it, but this one came from the Dollar Tree, so that was a great find. Then we have the utensils, which came from Party City, and this beautiful placemat, which you can use either for Christmas or for Valentines Day. You could use it anytime you want, guys, if you like the color red. I love this placemat. This was a gifted item. So this is how I just decided to layer it out. And again, I was trying to go simple, but that red is a very bold color. And then, as simple as I went, the dishes are also pretty busy themselves, but very beautiful. Okay, and this is just how I decided to set the table, and then just place that bow right there in the center. Doesn't that look amazing? Very beautiful. So this is what my tablescape is looking like. Here's the other place setting. I love the tassels on that placemat. And then again, once again, you have that vase, and you have this grand one. And you know I like the white florals. So this is my tablescape, guys. We'll take a closer look. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.